And one of the best products for cleaning glass that I've come across is the Jaws Glass Cleaner. JAWS. I know Kroger's carries it in a lot of parts of the country now. You can also get it online at jawscleans.com. But I would highly recommend that. In fact, it's a pH neutral. There's no silicones or alcohol in that. And what that means is you can use it on glass like high-def TV screens, computer screens. You can even use it on your eyeglasses. One of the things that...
What about your cell phone screen?
Cell phone screens is another one. That's sensitive. You got to use a pH neutral or no alcohol, no silicone glass cleaner. A friend of mine asked me the other day, said, I cleaned my TV screen, but now I can see kind of little streaks in it. And I said, what'd you use? I just used, say, a common brand of window cleaner. And I said, it's got ammonia in it. It's got alcohol in it. It'll streak that fine screen. And they go, well, how do I get rid of it? You don't. So pH neutral product like the Jaws cleaners, I would highly recommend that glass cleaner. You can also, I think, get it on Amazon. Neat thing about that product, too, it comes with a spray bottle, and it's got cartridges. So once you spray that onto the glass and you do all these windows and your bottle's half empty, you don't have to go out and buy another bottle. When it's all the way empty, you can fill that up with water, take that cartridge and just put it in the neck of the bottle and run the sprayer through it, and it disperses the concentrate in with the water, and you got another bottle. You're ready to go. So you don't have to keep buying the bottle and all that, and saves on storage and everything else. But Jaws Cleaners, check that out.